Good morning, dear students.
Morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. And
Morning,
you?
sir.
Yes, are you all
Good
fine?
morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yes, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any problem from linear equations? Some of you asked the
No, sir.
problems. Some of you asked the problems to me and I sent the solutions to their personal messenger. If you have any other problems, you may ask to me. Today we are in topic quadratic equations. So in chapter of quadratic equations, first thing is, as like linear equation is of first degree, quadratic equation is of second degree or second order. यसको power 2 भएको इक्वेशन्सहरु हो. Okay, equations, these equations are those which are of second order or degree 2. And we said linear equations can be defined as line in graph paper or coordinate system, but these equations are defined as curve. यिनीहरू लाइनको रूपमा एक्सप्रेस हुँदैन, कर्वको रूपमा एक्सप्रेस हुन्छ. कस्तो कर्व त? प्याराबोला एन्ड हाइपरबोला. डु यु नो द मिनिङ अफ प्याराबोला एन्ड हाइपरबोला?
Yes, sir. They are the shapes.
They are the shapes. So just let's discuss a bit more about this. Oh. Okay, let's draw this one to make it clear. Okay, simple एउटा draw गरी हेरौँ यहाँनिर. We are not taking too much time. 2x square minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 5. Are you observing this green line?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
this
sir.
one is the parabola. यस्तै फिगरलाई, यस्तै कर्वलाई प्याराबोला भन्ने हो है. I just kept here 2x square only. 2x square टाइप गर्ने बित्तिकै यति आयो, यो कर्व, यो ग्रीन कर्व आयो. यस्तै कर्वलाई प्याराबोला भन्छ. हाइपरबोला भनेको अलि यो फ्ल्याट हुन्छ, यो एकदम पिक
Oval like.
डाउनवर्ड एकदम तल आएर डाइरेक्टली माथि गएको छ. हाइपरबोला भनेपछि फ्ल्याट हुन्छ यसरी. ओके, so this type of curve is parabola. And these are the examples. 2x square minus 5x is equal to 0. 3x square plus 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. If we'll plot these in graph paper, these both will give us the either parabola or hyperbola. Okay, so this is the general meaning. And as like we solved the linear equations and we calculated the values of x and y from the linear equations, similarly we have to calculate the values of x for these quadratic equations also, and the value obtained for the variable for the quadratic equations are called roots of the quadratic equations. x को value लाई हामीले roots of the quadratic equations भन्छौं. Remember it. यहाँबाट आएको x को भ्यालु, यसलाई सल्भ गरेर यो इक्वेसनलाई सल्भ गरेर कुनै x को भ्यालु आउला, that is the root of quadratic equations. As this is quadratic equation and it is of degree 2, we will get two values of x. x का दुईटा भ्यालुहरु आउँछन्. Either values of x may be same, दुईटै भ्यालु सेम पनि हुन सक्छन्, कुनै क्वेशनमा सेम हुन सक्छ. And in some cases roots will be different. There will be three cases in total. One, equal roots. Roots means values of x. Are you getting the meaning?
Yes, sir.
Root भने स्क्वायर रुट भनेको होइन कि यहाँबाट x को भ्यालु जे निकाल्छौँ त्यसलाई हामी रुट भन्छौँ। अनि यसको तीनटा टाइपको रुट्सहरू हुन सक्छ। one roots may be equal, another roots may be unequal, दुईटै unequal हुन्छन्, and similarly third one imaginary roots. इमेजिनरी भनेको इमेजिन गर्न सकिने नेगेटिभ स्क्वायर रुट भित्र नेगेटिभ भ्यालुहरू आयो भने त्यसलाई हामी इमेजिनरी रुट्स भन्छौँ। सो देयर विल बी 3 टाइप्स अफ रुट्स। अझ इक्वलमा पनि दुईटा टाइप्सको रुट्सहरू हुन्छ, इक्वल र साइन डिफरेन्ट भएको। एउटा जस्तो फर एक्जाम्पल +4 एन्ड -4, दुईटा इक्वल त भए बट बोथ हैव डिफरेंट साइन, equal but having opposite sign. So those are different type of roots. About those you will discuss in higher classes, imaginary roots and imaginary bahek. About different other type of roots you will learn in higher classes. Now only we will discuss how to get the roots. Roots, that means the value of the variable from the equation. As like in linear equations, we have 3 methods to solve the quadratic equations also. जस्तो linear equations मा एउटा मेथड हामीले युज गरेका थियौं elimination method, अर्को युज गरेका थियौं substitution method, third we used graphical method, and here also we have 3 methods. One method is factorization method. By factorizing the given equations, we can find out the roots, we can solve the equation. Second method is completing the square method. That means we have to make formula for either a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. A minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square को फर्म में कन्भर्ट गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ, or a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Out of these two formula we have to use any one formula according to the question. Question में दिए अनुसार त्यो कन्भर्ट गर्ने हो स्क्वायर फर्म में. सेकेंड मेथड. एंड थर्ड मेथड इज फर्मुला यूजिंग मेथड. इसमें एउटा फर्मुला हुन्छ to find out the value of variable x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a भन्ने एउटा फर्मुला हुन्छ. And by using that formula also directly we can find out the value of x. So just look at these examples here. Is this screen visible to you? Do you know
Yes,
the
sir.
page number for
Yes,
quadratic
sir.
equation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In which page the quadratic equation is there?
103.
103.
103, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just look at this first method. This is the example for factorization method. And you know how to factorize the terms. We have to break down the given terms into 4 terms. 3 वटा टर्म्सहरु छ यहाँनिर. यो 3टा टर्मलाई हामीले 4 वटा टर्ममा ब्रेक डाउन गर्नुपर्ने. For that we have to get 2 numbers whose product is this last one. यो last 2 product योसँग इक्वल हुनु पर्यो. त्यसैगरी एड गरेर 3 सँग इक्वल हुनु पर्यो. 2 plus 1 it becomes 3 and 2 1 it is 2. After factorizing it, there we get 2 terms, 2 factors here. One factor is x minus 2 and another factor is x minus 1. If their product is 0, by multiplying these two, if we are getting 0, one of these two must be 0. यो दुईटा मध्ये एउटा 0 हुनै पर्छ, otherwise यिनीहरुको product 0 आउन सक्दैन. We will never get their product 0 if any one of these two is not 0. So we have to say let either this one be 0 or this one be 0. यो दुईटा मध्ये एउटा 0 हुन्छ भन्ने लेट गर्नु पर्यो. Then we will get x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 1. By taking x minus 2 is equal to 0, it is 2. By taking x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. This is the method of solving the equation, quadratic equation by factorization method. And next one is completing square method. Just look at this solution. X square minus 4x plus 4. Here it tries to make formula of a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. यो फर्ममा कन्भर्ट गरेको छ यहाँ 4x that is 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square that is 4 फेरि 4 नै भयो. So it is formula of x minus 2 whole square. So there are x minus 2 into x minus 2 square, just like a square means a into a, x minus 2 square means x minus 2 into x minus 2. So either its value is x minus 2 or its value is again x minus 2. That means we get two equal roots. दुईटा x का equal value रहा है 2 or 2, or directly we can write x is equal to 2 also, because from both we will get same values of x. This is the method of solving the equation by completing square. अब यो completing square method बाटै formula method आउँछ है. Look at this one. Solve the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 by completing the squares. अब यो square बनाउनको लागि यसलाई a ले डिवाइड गर्यो, सबैलाई डिवाइड गरिसकेपछि स्क्वायर फर्ममा कन्भर्ट गरेर त्यसपछि two roots are obtained here. दुईटा भ्यालुहरु आए. And this is the formula for solving quadratic equation by formula method. Third formula method, completing square method बाटै आएको. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula. So remember this formula. Note down and repeat it again and again to remember it. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And by using this formula, अब यो formula use कसरी गर्ने भन्ने process यहाँ छ. This is one example given to us. X square minus 5x minus 24 is equal to 0. If we will compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Always for this method, we have to compare the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And after comparing it, look at coefficient with x square. X square सँग भएको coefficient a को ठाउँमा यहाँ केही पनि छैन. That means that will be 1. A is equal to 1. Similarly, there is nothing with there is 5 minus 5 with b x. X सँग minus 5 छ, and b is equal to minus 5 by comparing it, and c is equal to minus 24. यो minus 24 plus c को ठाउँमा छ, because of that c is equal to minus 24. Then we have to put these values in formula. यो formula मा directly minus b को ठाउँमा राख्नु पर्यो, minus of minus 5. Similarly, in place of a there will be 1. In place of c there will be minus 24, and by simplifying we will get the value like this. अब यहाँ plus minus भएको value छ, त्यसैले एकचोटि plus लिनुपर्छ, and second time we have to take minus. Plus and minus simultaneously. So once we have to take positive sign, then we have to take negative sign. In this way we will get two answers. यसरी एउटा यो answer आयो 8, अर्को यतापट्टि यो answer आयो -3. Just these are the examples. You may check afterward also in your book. So let's move to the solution of exercise. Are you observing the previous window, PowerPoint slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's move to exercise 11. Question number 1. Solve the quadratic equations and check the solution. Equation दिएको छ. We have to solve it. After that, so question given to us is x plus 2 is equal to 0, because already it is 1 is equal to 0 or x. So you I
Yes, sir.
why we have to say either this is equal to 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0.
Because any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0.
Yes, be 0. You x plus 2 like 0 हुनु पर्यो. वा if x minus 1 is multiplied, we have to say this one is 0. X plus 2 is 0. Take this 1 to. Similarly, x plus 2 is equal to, if we will take this plus 2, so x is equal to minus 2. These are our required answer. Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
If it is clear, let's move to next number 2, because question number 1 are very simple. And factorization method. Question given to us to 3x. After factorizing of quadratic equation, the given x time x into 2 is only and 3x left side में ले जांदा minus 3x हुन्छ in this line.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, then 2x square minus 3, it is minus 2. Now what is possible to this? Nothing.
Common, sir. Common
Yes, we
taking.
can take
Common
2x common from both. दुईटैबाट 2x common लिइसकेपछि x is remaining in first and from 2x nothing is remaining. That means 1 is previous one. As like question number 1, there are two factors, x minus 1, x plus 2x is one factor, x minus 1 is another factor. So we have to say either this 2x is equal to 0. 0. Take this 2 will be 0 to 0. Similarly, if x minus 1 is equal to 0, हुँदा के हुन्छ त? X is equal to 1. So, as well as 1. These are our required answers. So let's again, we are in question number 2, but last one is saying 10-minute time is solve by factorization method. For 8, at first take this to left hand side, click 1000, check square minus 1200. Find out the square root of
35.
yes, it is the square of 35. So we can write it as x square and use formula of a square minus b square, a minus b, that is x plus 30. It is clear to you which formula we use here?
A square minus B square.
Are you observing the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So here are two
Yes,
factors.
sir.
One is x plus 35, another is x minus 35. So either x plus 35 is equal to 0 or x minus 35 is equal to 0. From x plus 35 is equal to 0, we will get x is equal to minus 35. And from x minus 35 is equal to 0, we will get x is equal to 35. So two equal but the equation, two equal roots but having different signs we will get here. First one is x is equal to minus 35. Second one is x is equal to plus 35 by taking x minus 35 is equal to 0. So is there any confusion in it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Look at one more question. Solve by completing square. About it we'll learn tomorrow also. So x square minus 10x plus 25 is equal to 0. Try to make formula from it. X square minus 10x plus 25. Second, 25 is 5 square. So a square means x square. B square means 5 square. That means value of a is x, value of b is 5. So x square minus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into this is a, x, and b means 5 plus 5 square. We can write it as x minus 5 whole square, and 0 we can write 0 as 0 square. So if we will remove the square from both sides, remaining value is x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5 is our required answer. And near about 1 minute is remaining.
Sir, or we can write like x minus 5 because x minus 5 is equal to 0 2 times
We will
1000.
get both answers same, 5 and 5 only. So you may do up to here only.
Yes.
In place of writing two values, 5 and 5 again and again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So tomorrow we'll discuss about remaining questions of 2 and 3 as well as question number 4. So try to complete the remaining questions.